Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file your taxes for free in Canada using Netfile. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. First, go to your browser and search for Netfile Canada. This will take you to a page where you can find all the details, requirements, and guidelines for filing your taxes. Before you can use Netfile, you need to make sure you have the required information. This includes your social insurance number, also known as SIN. If you're a newcomer to Canada, your SIN usually starts with a number between 1 and 9. If your SIN starts with 0, you may need a temporary tax number instead. Next, gather all the necessary documents. This includes your date of birth, address, tax slips, receipts for deductions or credits, previous tax information, and your banking details. After that, choose a free CRA-certified tax software. Some popular options include Wealthsimple Tax, Cloud Tax, GenuTax, UFile Online, and TurboTax Free. These tools will guide you through the process step by step. Once you've selected your software, start entering your details, including your SIN, name, address, and other required information. You'll also need to input your income and any deductions or credits you want to claim. Take your time to review everything carefully to make sure all the information is accurate before submitting your return through Netfile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to file your taxes for free in Canada using Netfile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.